this lane here, we have Michael Olar. Over here, we have Melissa Johnson for first place in the 129.99 class. All right, good to go, good to go. Watch me for your start. Ready, set, go. Both of them, you better get going. She's not going to wait for you, Mike. Yeah, you better get to your 129 in a hurry. Keep going. Skittles, you're not Skittles. Drew, you're going to have to teach him. Fantastic. All right, 127. There he goes. He's good. 128.2. We're still 10 seconds on 129.6, 128, 729.
Slow down.
129.3, 129.8. 129.9.
He's going.
Both of them busted out. We have a tie. Set it up to go again. Over here we have Michael Olar for our second one versus Melissa Johnson. They tied the first though. Watch me for your start. Ready, set, go! He got a good start. Melissa's waiting on hers. She needs to get up there. 126, 126.7, 127, 127.1, 112. Melissa better get going. Something fierce. She's at 115, 127.6. They both have plenty of headroom to get where they need to get. 127.7, 120.7, 121.4, 128, 127.9, 123.56. There's only 6 seconds left. Melissa will never make it. Oh, she even shut it down. She's got all kinds of problems. Winner, Michael Olar in his first ever base race gets the championship.